Hey, so this is the home page, and once you log in, you click here, and you can see my Maestro profile. So go to your Maestro profile. As you can see, this is one of the trips I'm curating. So what you can do is click on Curate New Tour. And here, there's a lot of tours here. You can choose any one of them and start curating. So I'm going to go with the Laos and click on Curate the Tour. So it'll ask you how you want to customize it. For example, do you want to change the itinerary? So you can say maybe 1 day less in the end and click Submit. So now when we come to your page, you can see curation requested. So when the operations team approves your request, you'll get an email saying that it's been approved. So now you can go log in back to your profile and you'll see curation approved. So now you can start personalizing this tour. So just click on Personalize. The first thing you can do is you can upload a different image. So I'm going to upload this one and you can edit the tour name. You can also edit the subtitle if you want. And you can make any changes to the overview. You can just edit directly here and then submit the changes. So when you go to your profile, you'll see personalization in review. Similar to last time, you'll receive an email that your personalization has been approved. You can go and check this in your profile. Personalization has been approved and you can now publish this tour. Once you publish it, it will show up in your profile as a published tour. There we go.